FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Hello friends, today we will practice English speaking on the topic hobby. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak confidently about this topic. Key vocabulary: hobby, reading is my hobby. I collect stamps. I enjoy playing football. Mini conversation: hi, what's your hobby? I really enjoy reading books. What about you? I like playing football in my free time. Not every day, but I play on weekends. Do you read daily? Yes, I try to read at least for an hour every evening. What's your hobby? Tell me in comments. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Every word you practice today takes you one step closer to fluency. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel.